Welcome to the Extra Stock YouTube channel. Stocks to watch, November 26th, Adani Group, HUL, SBI, Coal India, IndiGo. In this video, we will be highlighting several stocks to watch for November 26th, including companies like the Adani Group, Hindustan Unilever, HUL, State Bank of India, SBI, Coal India, and IndiGo. Here's a quick overview of the key developments. Adani Group stocks. Reports indicate that the Andhra Pradesh state is reviewing its power supply contract with the Adani Group, and there may be a potential cancellation. Additionally, French energy company Total Energies has paused its new investments in the group amid corruption allegations raised by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Despite these concerns, Florida-based GQG Partners has expressed confidence in the Adani Group, highlighting the strong fundamentals of its investments. This follows the indictment of Indian billionaire Gautam Adani by U.S. prosecutors for alleged involvement in a $265 million bribery scheme. Hindustan Unilever, HUL's board has approved a proposal to demerge its ice cream business into a separate, independently listed entity. Upon receiving necessary approvals, HUL shareholders will receive shares in the new entity in proportion to their current holdings. Coal India. Although Coal India transitioned to using its internal e-auction platform earlier this year, it has now issued a tender for private service providers to manage e-auctions for its subsidiaries over the next 2 years. Vedanta Resources, which had postponed its planned sale of dollar bonds last week due to the Adani Group scandal, is now set to proceed with the bond issuance. The issue, which could raise up to $500 million, will be the first since the Adani crisis and will test investor appetite for Indian high-yield credit. Maruti Suzuki. The company has achieved a significant milestone by exporting its 3 millionth car from India, primarily to markets in Latin America, Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. State Bank of India, SBI is set to deploy $1.5 billion in international funding over the next 4 months, with $500 million raised through bonds and an additional $1 billion through syndicated loans. Tata Consumer Products. Tata Consumer's Managing Director and CEO, Sunil D'Souza, believes that the current food inflation is a short-term blip and expects it to moderate in the coming quarters, alongside a revival in consumer demand. HDFC Life has reported a data breach and has initiated an investigation to determine the cause and implement corrective actions. Wipro. IT company Wipro has appointed Omkar Nisal as the CEO of its Europe Strategic Market Unit, effective immediately. Nisal will also join Wipro's executive board and report directly to CEO and MD, Srini Pallia. IndiGo. Interglobal Aviation. IndiGo and Japan Airlines are set to begin their code-share partnership on December 16, which will allow the Japanese airline access to 18 destinations across India. Edelweiss Financial Services. Edelweiss is looking to sell a minority stake in its mutual fund, MF, business and has hired an investment banker to begin the process. Ashoka Buildcon. The company has received a letter of award, Low A, from the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, for a road project in West Bengal, valued at 1,391 rupees crore, excluding GST. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, and Hitachi Energy India, BHEL and Hitachi Energy have secured an order for the Khavda-Nagpur HVDC transmission project from Power Grid Corporation. Lupin. The company is recalling over 600,000 bottles of blood pressure medication in the US due to deviations from current good manufacturing practices, CGMP, according to the US health regulator. Orchid Pharma has partnered with the Consortium of Accredited Healthcare Organizations, CAHO, to launch nationwide hospital assessments and prescription audits to combat antimicrobial resistance, AMR. Associated Alcohols and Breweries. The company has launched its premium whiskey brand, Hillfoot Whiskey, which is available in various bottle sizes at different price points. KEC International. The company has secured new orders worth 1,114 rupees crore across its diverse business segments. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.